Hello all. In today's video we are going to watching the beautiful modular kitchen design ideas. So friends, the modular kitchen design is innovative and practical way of designing kitchen space that is both functional and aesthetical pleasing. This design approach has gained immense of popularity for the recent years, and it's for good reason. So the first is the modular kitchens are highly customizable, can be designed according to your preferences and your needs. You can choose in the layouts, colors, schemes, materials and finishes that suit your style and taste. This means you can have to the kitchen that reflect your personality and lifestyle. And they are prefabricated modules that can be assembled in different configurations to fit any kitchen space. This design approach ensures that every inch of your kitchen is utilized efficiently and there is no waste of your space. And also easy installation. Modular kitchens are easy to install and the installation process it's quick and hassle-free. The pre-fabricated modulars that can be easily transported and assembled on the site. So your kitchen is up of running off quickly and cost effective. Since the modular kitchens pre-fabricated in a factory, the cost of labor and materials significantly reduce. This means that you can have to the high quality kitchen without breaking your bank. The modular kitchens are made using high quality materials that are durable and long life, and the modular kitchens are designed to withstand wear and tear and are resistant to the water, heat and scratches. This means your kitchen will look good as for new of many years. And modular kitchens are easy to maintain and they require of minimal upkeep. The materials used in modular kitchens are easy and clean and they are resistant to the stains, spills. This means your kitchen will always look clean and hygienic with minimal effort. And the modular kitchens have built-in storage option such as cabinets, drawers, shelves, providing ample space for storing your kitchen essentials. This means you can keep your kitchen organized and clutter-free. And modular kitchens are designed to be ergonomic, which means they are user-friendly and comfortable. The modulars are intended to be the optimal height and depth, which reduce the strain on your backs and shoulders. This means you can walk in your kitchen longer without feeling of fatigue. So friends, the modular kitchens are available in wide ranges of styles and designs. You can choose and has design that complement your home decor, whatever you prefer modern and traditional look. And there is a modular kitchen design that will suit your taste. So friends, modular kitchen increase the resale value of your home. There are popular choice among to the home buyers, adding value of your property. This means you can rework off your modular kitchen cost when you sell your home. So when it comes to the kitchen interiors, you can find custom options to suit any taste and budget, from modern to the tradition. There are plenty of ways to customize your kitchen to fit your lifestyle. Whatever you are looking to the complement kitchen remodel and you just want to update the look of your space,